All right, let's play Promises. So we're going to start with our pinky on this D. Then we're going to go up to E flat, back to D, then to C. Let's do it again. Pinky on D, E flat, D, back to C. Great. Let's try it with the click. This is called a click track. Do it again. All right, perfect. Now, thumb is going to play G, F, again, G, and F. Now we're going to put the G and the D together. My thumb is on G, my pinky is on D. Now both hands. All right, that's the basics of the song. So have fun with it, and I'll see you next time.